Just got home. It's 10 o'clock at night, and these are the parts we picked up from Summit. These are 9/16 on both ends, and they do fit the rack. The P side is the normal thread, and this end is the reverse thread. But we'll get some anti-seize on that, and that end will be good. This end I'm going to have to drill out and tap 5/8 so I can fit these reverse thread 5/8 heim joints in there. Hey everybody, what's going on? Alan here. Welcome back to the Gibson Garage YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in, of course. Today we're going to be doing a couple things. I've got the corner lights finally coming in. Anzo, of course, they look really clean. I'll show you those a little bit later. Also want to swap out the water that I put in here for coolant, and then I should be getting the rest of the parts in for the steering today. So I'm also going to start drilling out the knuckles and drilling out the sleeves in preparation for those. Now, if you've been following along lately in all the videos, you know all the stuff I've been doing to this thing. I still need to get headlights. But I've got a new grille, new lights, a fresh bumper from the junkyard painted. I did all the suspension and body bushings in polyurethane. So this thing's gonna ride nice and tight. I've also got these Caltrax bars on the back for a little bit better traction, try to eliminate some wheel hop. This thing is only a 305 as it is, with a computer chip and an 18-pound injectors and bored out throttle body and bored out intake. It's getting way too much fuel at the moment, but it runs. And then of course my biggest custom modification is the manual rack and pinion steering, which is why we're here today. I also need to pull this rod back out so I can drill a through hole. Just like there's a through hole going in here, I need to put one in this bar, you know, for safety. Electric water pump and electric fans, all wired to a switch. I got rid of the coolant bottle that's way over here. Obviously, I built me a battery stand and put everything over here with the relays for the fans and water pump over here as well. The new overflow bottle is this guy. That's from Vegas, baby. We're always got a little bit of party. On the interior, not much is done. I got the quick release steering wheel, and I've got these switches over here, and hands-free microphone. So I did get nice Anzo brand, just because I am over buying cheap brands of lights anymore. They just flake, peel, or turn yellow. But you have to reuse your old nuts. Oh, wow. The other aftermarket ones would have never fit that good. Oh my gosh. Okay, so you know that's this is from LMC Truck. To be honest with you, I figured going with them would have got me like something real quality, but that's twice I'm disappointed with this grill. The first disappointment was the emblem didn't fit, and my emblem is the same as, or the new emblem I got, the blacked out one, is the same as the original with the sharp corners, but the corners in this are too rounded. I had to carve and sand away the corners to make the emblem fit. Picked this up a while back, seems like the right time to put it on. Okay. Ooh. Very nice. here we are. I got the drill bit, I got some lube, got the drill. Now you typically, or ideally, would like to find a cobalt drill bit, something that says hard metal, but I couldn't find one in 5/8 that was hard metal. Nobody had cobalt in 5/8 except for like, I think it was Granger.com, but they wanted $100 for it, so this is 24. And if I smoke this bit, it's not a huge loss, but I was told by a friend that this should handle it, so we'll see. Whoa, Jiminy. This might be harder than I thought. Now it says you want to go slow at like 400 RPMs, but man. Ooh, it won't stop grab. Oh, this is oh, scary. It just wants to go. Actually, it's actually making quick work of it, but and I ain't happy now, living without you. Whoa, Now this is the sleeve that has 9/16 on both sides. I'm drilling out the side that's reverse thread to 5/8, and then I'm going to tap it with a reverse thread 5/8. I'm drilling it out to 9/16, so I'll tap it to 5/8. Oh, stupid soft jaws. Hey, get off me. And then that's it. Boom, baby. Alright, everything's drilled out. Here's how everything's gonna go back together. Put one of those. Put it there. Need another one of those. Put it there. I'm gonna use these, are actually shims. These are 5/8 shims, not washers. So those are precision to be perfectly nice and centered. Boom. Boom. And boom. And that's manual, no power steering. Well, there it is, guys. Steering is done. From tie rods to the rack and pinion to the steering shaft. This thing is ready to rock. Now, I'll be honest, it's a lot easier to steer on the slick stuff. The guy had a chicken on his head. Did you see that? Well, that's gonna do it. Tell me what you guys think. I think it's pretty awesome. I think it's the only one ever done. Let me know if I'm wrong. But please subscribe, please hit the bell, please leave a comment. Chicken head's coming back. Oh, I didn't mean it that way.